Jack goes to school. Jack is a boy. He is 7 years old. Jack goes to school every day. He wakes up at 7 o'clock. He eats bread and cheese for breakfast. He puts on his blue shirt. He takes his green bag. He says goodbye to his mom. Jack walks to school. He sees his friend Ben. Jack and Ben walk together. They arrive at school at 8 o'clock. Jack sits in the classroom. His teacher's name is Mrs. Smith. Mrs. Smith reads a story. Jack listens carefully. He writes with his pencil. He draws a red apple. The bell rings at 12 o'clock. Jack goes home and eats lunch. Now some questions about this story. How old is Jack? Jack is 7 years old. Does Jack go to school every day? Yes, Jack goes to school every day. What time does Jack wake up? Jack wakes up at 7 o'clock. What does Jack eat for breakfast? Jack eats bread and cheese for breakfast. What color is Jack's shirt? Jack's shirt is blue. What is the teacher's name? The teacher's name is Mrs. Smith. Does Jack listen to the story carefully? Yes, Jack listens carefully. What does Jack draw? Jack draws a red apple.